Hi there, welcome to my channel. This one is a very quick one on Regex. I'll be creating a number of videos on the Regex patterns, but for now, let's jump into this one. I'm not going to take this solution to a Jupyter notebook. It's a very easy one. What we've got is a Regex pattern that we have to complete. Once we do that, we just need to run the code and test if it works. But let's see what the task is. The task says you're given a string S containing only of digits, commas, and dots, like this. For example, you've got 100, then a comma, 000, another comma, 000, dot 000. So what we need to return is 100, 000, 000, 000. So we're going to be using the split function from the strings, which is very easy to handle. But before that, we need to complete the regex pattern. So for me to be able to use the dots and the commas to use as a splitter within the split function, I need to define what type of pattern am I after. So put those square brackets in, press comma, and press dot. That's the solution. Let's run the code and see if it works. So I will just press run and see if it works. If it does, yeah, sample test case was correct. I'll submit the code and keep my fingers crossed. And ta-da, that was successful. So thank you for watching. If you like this one, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.